Hi guys, Dan Cooper here from Pro Tools Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you a really quick way that you can add a bit of edge to the tone of your vocal tracks using this Waves GTR Guitar Amp Simulator plugin. This is the Amp 2 cab version of this, and I've got it on a mono auxiliary, got a bus sent to that from the vocal track, and really simply I'm just going to send a little bit of that signal from the lead vocal to this effects return and blend in a bit of the guitar amp edge with the lead vocal. Let's hear how this sounds.
But now I know what I need to do. I know that I don't need you now.
Let's increase it.
I had to live it to know I didn't want it now. I know what I need to do. I know that I don't need you now. I had to live it to know I didn't want it.
It's nice, it does something. Now we can flick through the different amps here very simply in playback to pick, say, the desired sort of edge that we want.
But now I know what I need to do. I know that I don't need you
Too much.
now. I had to live it to know I didn't want it now.
That's nice. Back off the
I
send.
know what I need to do. I know that I don't need you now. I had to live it to know I didn't want it. No, I didn't want it.
It's a great way to use a guitar amp plugin outside of its usual application. Get creative with them, throw them on your vocal tracks, see what you get. And yeah, hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.